How to delete Outlook mail permanently. So the very first thing you should know that you cannot directly delete your Outlook mail from the Outlook app itself. In order to delete, what you want to do is you have to move into any of the web browser or move into Safari. You simply have to move into the site outlook.com. Once you are in here, enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this page. Now tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into Account and then tap on View Account. It will open up your profile. So in this page, what you want to do is scroll down and the option of Close Your Account will be visible to you. Click on it. So once again scroll down and tap on Close Account. It will be landing you on this page. In here, you have to click on Send Code. You will be receiving one verification code on your email address. Once you enter the code in this page, your account will be deleted successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete your Outlook mail permanently. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.